Here I come again. Here I come again. I put more pecans in there for you. I put more pecans in the food bowl right there, in the breakfast bowl right there. I put more pecans in there for you, Raccoon. Old Tiny right there. That's Tiny right there. I cannot say his last name. If I say his last name, YouTube will flood me with the videos. I got to start calling him Tiny. I'm gonna call that Raccoon Tiny. I can't say his last name no more. I could call him Tiny Fruitcake. I call that Raccoon Tiny Fruitcake. I didn't bring no more pecans out. You already had a half a pound tonight. You hear me? You already had it. It's 6:15 right now, Raccoon. 6:15. Don't you think you ought to be going home and getting ready to go to bed? He's going home. He'll be back later on. He's going home. Kind of cool out here. Got my short sleeve shirt on. Dang. Alright, that was Tiny. I can't say his last name. YouTube and Google, they are not my friend. YouTube and Google, they're not my friend. Stop this video, stop.